Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikramna from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gunamsa. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.5 that is related to subtraction and after solving exercise 2.5 we have to learn the next topic is properties of subtraction, and in properties of subtraction we will learn how we can subtract 0 from a number, how we can subtract 1 from a number, and how we can subtract a number itself from a number. And after that we have to learn checking subtraction, how we can check subtraction with addition, and also we have to learn estimating the difference, how we can estimate the difference and find the difference, actual difference and estimated difference. Okay, so now come on, let's topic without wasting our time. Come on topic exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. Okay, so in exercise 2.5 we have to solve today some questions related to subtraction. So subtract. Okay, so first question is, now notate a question and after that we have to solve them. So let's come on exercise 2.5. Okay, so 9586 minus 5174. 6 minus 4 2, 8 minus 7 1, sorry, 8 minus 7 1, 8 minus 7 there will be 1. Okay, and 5 minus 1 4, 9 minus 5 4. And now that was question number 1. And question number 2 is, that is 4688 minus 3428. 8 minus 2 6, 8 minus 2 6, 6 minus 4 2, 4 minus 3 1. Okay, now come on next question, that is question number 3. 86,985 minus 74,202. 5 minus 2 3, 8 minus 0 8, 9 minus 2 7, 6 minus 4 2, 8 minus 7 1. So the answer is 12,782. Now come on next question, that is question number 4. And question number 4 is, that is 67,303 minus 46,425. 46,425. 14 minus 5 8, and here will be 1, sorry 9, and here will be 2. 9 minus 2 7, 12 minus 4 there will be 6, 12 minus 4 8, and 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 4 2. So the answer is 20,878. Come on next question, that is question number 5. And question number 5 is 35,270 minus 22,007. 7 minus 7 0, and 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 0 2, and 5 minus 2 3, 3 minus 2 1. So the answer is 14,210. And now question number 6 is, that is 77,987 minus 54,643. 7 minus 3 4, 8 minus 3 5, 9 minus 6 3, 7 minus 4 3, and 7 minus 5 2. 97,851 minus 72,968. 11 minus 8, 3. Here will be 4. 14 minus 6, 8. And here will be 7. 17 minus 9, 8. And here will be 6 minus 2, 4. And 9 minus 7, 2. So 24,883. And now question number 8 is that is 85,445 minus 62,142. 5 minus 2, 3. 40 minus 4, 9. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. And 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 6, 2. 23,292. Okay. Now come on next topic. Arrange in columns and subtract. Arrange in columns and subtract. Arrange in columns and subtract. Okay, so let's come on this topic, arrange in columns and subtract. First one is 4,386 minus 2,479. So 4,386 minus 2,479. 16 minus 9, 7. 16 minus 9, 7. And here 7 minus 7, 0. And here will be 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4, 8. And 3 minus 2, 1. 1,807. Now question number 2 is, what is it? That is 9,839 minus 6,948. That is 9,839 minus 6,948. 9 minus 8, 1. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4, 9. And here will be 7. 17 minus 9, 8. And here will be 8 minus 6, 2. 2,891. Okay. Now come on next question. That is question number 3. And third one is, that is 97,574 minus 96,992. Okay, so 97,574 minus 96,992. 4 minus 2, 2. 17 minus 9, 8. And here will be 4. That will be 14. 14 minus 9, 5. And 6 minus 6, 0. And 9 minus 9, 0. So that is 582. Now come on question number 4. And what is it? That is 54,299 minus 23,100. So 54,299 minus 43,100. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. So the answer is 11,199. And now we have to learn the next topic is properties of subtraction. Let's come on topic properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. What are the properties of the subtraction? Let's come on this topic and discuss it. Okay, what are the properties of subtraction? You know that in properties of addition, you know that there are three facts. Okay, so there is properties of subtraction. What are these? Listen carefully and understand it, what it can say. Okay, so in properties of subtraction, first there are three properties. First one is subtracting 0, second one is subtracting 1, and third one is subtracting the number itself. Okay, when we discuss about first property, that is when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. First property, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, so first property, let's verify it. First property, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, 26,245 minus 0, that is, and there is 1 stands 100,000 and 10,000. Okay, so when we subtract 0 from 5, that is 5. Okay, when you subtract 0 from 5, that is 5. So you can see here that when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, so now come on next property. And what is next property? The next property is when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. Or you can say when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the before number. Okay, so when you subtract, there is an example given. When you subtract the 1 from 15,486 minus 1, 15,486 minus 1, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Okay, when you subtract 1 from a number, the difference is the number predecessor. The difference is the predecessor of the number. Okay, so you can say also when you subtract, that is 15,485. 15,485. So you can say that 15,485 comes before 15,486. In other words, you can also say that 15,485 is the predecessor of 15,486. Okay, so let's come on next topic as like next property, that is third property. And what is third property? You know that when a number is subtracted from itself, what is third property? Let's know about it. What is third property? You know that when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Listen carefully, third property. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. As like when you subtract 5 from 5, 0. When you subtract 9 from 9, 0. Okay, so when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Okay, so there is an example given. 46,378 minus 46,378. Okay, when a number is subtracted from itself, that is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. When a number is subtracted from itself, then the difference is 0. So when you subtract it, the difference is 0. Okay, so you can see here that when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. So learn three properties of subtraction. Okay, and now on next day we will learn topic checking addition, checking subtraction, and estimating the difference. Thank you for watching the video. Keep continuing.